Hello everyone, this is Wyatt with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we are conducting a field strip and reassembly of the Beretta M9. To start, first push the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, we're going to check to make sure there are no rounds in the chamber. To start the disassembly procedure, we're going to push on the takedown pin button on the right side of the frame here. While holding that down, we want to rotate the takedown lever down. Once that is rotated down, you can remove the slide from the frame. With the slide removed from the frame, we're going to put a little bit of forward pressure on the recoil spring and guide rod assembly and gently pull down until it comes loose from the barrel. Next, we're going to push the barrel forward slightly until it unlocks. With the barrel unlocked, you'll pull it back, down, and out of the slide. That is the disassembly procedure for the Beretta M9. To reassemble the gun, we will reinsert the barrel into the slide and make sure that the locking blocks are locked in either side of the frame here. You will hear an audible click once that is seated in place. Then we will grab our recoil spring and guide rod assembly with the open end of the spring facing forward. We will reinsert that into the channel underneath the barrel, push forward on the recoil spring and guide rod, and then we will seat it in this half moon circle right underneath the barrel. The slide is now reassembled. With the reassembled slide, we will go ahead, push the slide back onto the frame, being careful to line up the rear slots in the frame rails, and we will slide this back onto the frame, pull rearward slightly on the frame, and then we are going to rotate the takedown lever upwards. The gun is now reassembled. We will test for function by checking the trigger. While holding the trigger rearward, we will rack the slide and check for trigger reset. We have trigger reset. The last thing we want to do is reinsert the magazine and check for hold open. This gun is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Beretta M9. For more information on guns like these, head on over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.